Again, about those, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again. We are replacing the key fob battery in this. So if you guys are wondering, this is the battery you need, CR2032. So got this on Amazon for a couple bucks. I don't even remember. It's cheap. So if you're like me, you've had this for almost 3 years now, you will get an indicator on your speedo, and it's gonna say something like key fob battery low. So that's just the indicator for you to change it. I've noticed that recently I had this in my backpack, I've had it on my saddlebags, and it won't it won't register the key fob being nearby. So I would have to, I have to pull the my key fob out of wherever I have it, and then hold it closer to the gas tank, and then that's when my bike turns on. So let's go ahead and replace this. Grab your flathead, give it a little bit of a twist and a turn. You have a little slot here for you to put that flathead, that screwdriver, and let's go ahead and just open her up a little bit. Alright, so it seems to be a little bit easier if you just take it off the keychain. Let's go ahead and grab one of these batteries. Like I said, I just got this. I had another pack of these, and I mean, if you have them for too long, they do go bad. So let me grab something to open it up with. Let's go ahead, grab, take note on how the orientation is of the battery. So it's going to be facing downward. Let's have a quick look at this. So it looks like the easiest way to kind of do it is just, push down over here, where you see the open slot, the opposite. Push down over here, just grab your finger and get underneath the battery, and then just pull it out like so. Pull that out, get your new battery, and just slide it on in there like so, and hey, that's it, you're done. Grab your key fob cover, line it up with the with that slot. Make sure it's nice and closed. Press down on it, hear it snap. Like I said, a lot easier if you remove it off your keychain, if you have it on a keychain. And just slide back, slide that sucker back in there, and you're all done. Yeah, I mean, that's it. Easy video in case you guys are out there wondering. Once again, what battery is it? CR2032. So that's it. Thanks for watching. No more low key fob battery messages on my speedo. Now I can enjoy my lowrider S, and I should be able to have this in my saddlebags and not worry about it anymore. So alright, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. You guys stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's risk, get out there and ride. Later.